Once upon a time, there was a little kitten who dreamed of working at a fast food restaurant.
Work here? But you're a cat. Well, okay, let's give it a try.
I'll do my best, he said, walking into the stall with sparkling eyes. But his very first fries? Completely burnt to a crisp. Tears welled up in his eyes.
Hey, it's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. What matters is, you tried your best.
You got this. Do your best.
He finally made perfect fries and the best burger ever.
You're amazing.
Now, he's the most popular crew member in the whole shop. Like and follow to cheer him on.